Welcome back to the vlog. It's your girl Ciera Michelle, and in today's video I'm just gonna be showing you guys a quick little apartment tour of my new place. I have a new luxury condo. I'm very happy to have this place, and I'm just ready to start filming. I'm ready to start just upgrading my life, and with everything going on, I just want to sprinkle a little bit of positivity in your life, and yeah, let's get into it. So we're in my bathroom right now. I love this mirror. This mirror is very it's big. I have way more space in my restroom. I have way more space now. I love this mirror. I love it. The light fixture could be different, but I just love it. It's way more up to date than my last apartment. I absolutely love my new sink. It's very kind of modern. Look at the faucet. It gets warm quick. And then I have my under here I have some of my medication, some Q-tips. I have to have a big thing of Q-tips because I don't play around. I have to get that. It's something about Q-tips that just is so relaxing to me. I have to have a Q-tip every other night before I go to bed. It's just something just so relaxing to me. I can't even explain it, but I got some of that down there already. I have my makeup down there already. And let's look at the shower a little bit in depth. So this is the shower door. It's glass. You pull it open and you can walk in, and that is the shower head. It's pretty cool. It's giving me spa vibes. Then I just have a few of my soap and other things already there, as well as some towels here. I really don't know how I want to decorate the bathroom, but pretty much I'm going with a gray color just because the walls are kind of gray, and I don't know. I was thinking that gray just went well. I didn't want to do brown. I felt like this had kind of gray in it and brown. The towels on the floor are gray, so if you guys have any recommendations on how I should style my apartment, please comment down below. I pretty much don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just trying to do something that's aesthetically pleasing as well as me, girly, single girl, no kids type vibes. I'm trying to live a luxury life. With this luxury apartment, some of my style icons and inspirations are a little bit of Maggie McDonald and a little bit of Amber Scholl and a little bit of T.R. Walker, but I definitely want to do my own thing. I want to be myself, but I also pull a little inspiration from people that I like watching. So let's continue the tour. And not that it matters, but the door has a hook on it, so that's pretty cool. So when you come out of the restroom, this is the hallway, and immediately to your right is my I guess the washer and dryer situation, as well as I have some towels right here, and I have some soaps, and it's kind of deep back there, but I have some things in here. So I'm definitely gonna put all my cleaning supplies in here, all my laundry essentials, dirty laundry, everything's gonna go in here. And I like how it's tucked away out of the public's eye, and then not the public, but you know what I mean. And then right here is my front door. And I have a bunch of groceries, not even groceries. I just have a bunch of apartment essentials that I need to put up. So my pots and pans, sheets, I got soaps, all type of stuff just right here. Yeah, I'm just waiting to finish things coming. I don't want to start putting things up until I really don't even know what I'm doing. So I'm pretty much just waiting for nothing. Yeah. So looking in my hallway, this is my bathroom. It's really bright inside there, and then the hallway is kind of fluorescent light, so I definitely want to switch those lights out. And I have a pretty long hallway full of just full of storage. I love that my hallway is full of storage. Like here goes another closet. So in here I just have my military uniform right here, and I think I'm gonna make this closet my military closet because it goes pretty far back. I have a lot of like TA-50 and just unnecessary stuff. So my next little closet is right here. I don't know what I'm gonna put right here, but like the entire hallway is just full of, my entire hallway is just full of storage. I really love it. Like my last place, I didn't have as much storage, so I really love it. I appreciate it, and I just can't wait to like make this my home and just really just put me into it. So here is my kitchen. My kitchen is so beautiful. My kitchen is so beautiful. I love everything about it. It's so modern and up to date, and I really just cannot wait to like get use out of it, as well as like do cooking videos and trying different recipes with you guys. So let's get into the kitchen tour because I have so much storage space. So right here in the kitchen is like this storage space, which I just love. And I don't know, like I have so many places I can put my condiments, my cereals and stuff, and it's super sleek and just white and modern. I love this look of it. This is what really made me love this apartment in particular, is the kitchen and the balcony. Some type of, I don't know, granite countertop. I have so much space, so much space, so much space. I love this stove. My stove is like modern. I haven't fired it on, but the middle actually lights up too. Yeah, I don't know how to do these. Okay, there we go. So the middle fires as well as, so I got like 5 eyes that fire. What? That's pretty cool. Then I have my microwave up there, my microwave and my oven. Then I have a dishwasher, which I like appreciate. So yeah, I got a dishwasher, and I definitely like, it's a blessing because I really don't like washing dishes, and I really don't like doing too much of anything. So I got a dishwasher now that is gonna like come in use, and like I don't have no excuse to have dishes piled up in my sink anymore because I got a dishwasher. And I just want to say, like, while I'm doing this like vlog of my apartment, I haven't vlogged in a while. I haven't even talked to the camera in a while, so I'm still trying to get adapted and used to it. So just excuse me if my voice is just too dark and rusty and just too, you know, when you don't talk all day, and then when you talk so deep and rough. That's me because I'm a homebody and like I'm a loner, so I'll be talking to too many people throughout the day. So when I talk, I sound kind of weird to myself. But let's go back to the vlog, okay? So yeah, I showed you guys this, which is cool. I love that. Then look at my sink. I have like this type of faucet that pulls down. Cool. Then this, and it's pretty deep, so I love that. Also, let me show you guys this. This has 2 different like settings, the dim one, then a brighter one. Let me show you this. So when it's like late at night, I can just put those on if I want to. I really don't like lights on at night though. I like it to be pitch black. I like my apartment to be pitch black at night just because I need to hear everything. I need to see. I don't know, I feel like I could see better when all the lights are off. But also it cools down the apartment naturally, and it saves me just a little bit of coin. Yeah, but this is my kitchen right here. These are all of my like cabinetry. All I have is like a bowl and a plate and a cup. I still have to order stuff. with everything going on, it's pretty hard for me to order things and get it in a reasonable time. Every time I order something, it either gets canceled or it's like delayed a month. So I kind of don't even want to order anything online. I want to see if I can buy things in person. Burlington has had a great huge discount. Burlington, Marshalls, and Ross. So I might just try to get all my little stuff there, and I'll update you guys in more videos. But let's continue the vlog. We're almost done with this apartment tour. I'm sorry I talk too much, I know. So like what I really like about this apartment is the refrigerator. Look at the refrigerator. Like I like that all my like appliances are stainless steel, but I also like that my refrigerator has like all these compartments and like just storage. It's not crammed up. Like I don't know if I ever fill it up because it's just one of me. I don't like filling up my apartment like with food because I eat and I'm glutful, and if I don't have it in my apartment, I can't eat it. That's my motto. But look at my pull-out freezer. I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. And if you look right here, you like have the ice thing, and then you got like a drawer right here that also comes out. And then also I wanted to show you guys this. It came with some dishes in the apartment. So whoever lived here and moved, like I really have to deep clean because the apartment people didn't catch that. So I doubt that this apartment is super clean. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. So attached to my kitchen is my living room, my balcony, all this situation, like everything behind me. This is all my living room. My living room is like a big open layout. I love the layout of this living room. It's super open and just, I don't even have to turn the lights on. Like I can just film right here and the light is so beautiful. The walls are just so clean and crisp. And this is my living room. I have nothing in here so far. So I definitely am gonna need your help picking out furniture and stuff and all of that. So let's go to the balcony. So before we go outside, this is the balcony. This is the balcony. It's like kind of like floor to ceiling windows, and I really like that. I'm kind of nervous going out here. So I pretty much have showed you guys the majority of my apartment, but the last room in the house is my bedroom where none of the magic is happening. So let's go to my bedroom, and here we go. So this is my bedroom. The walls don't go all the way up, which is cool with me. There's supposed to be like both of these on the wall, and I need to change them out to white lights, but this is my bed. My bed is like memory foam and it feels so good. I'm still waiting on my bed frame. Y'all know shipping and everything is delayed. So yeah, I definitely have enough space in here for a bed and maybe I was thinking about a vanity set or something, but I really don't need it, but I kind of don't not want it. So I want it, but I don't need it. So yeah, I got my bed here on this wall right here. I'm gonna have my TV mounted. I'm thinking if I should have a TV in here or a TV in my living room. I don't want to do two TVs because I just want a room where I can relax and just get into my Bible and just like really just get into a relaxation type of vibe. So this is my apartment tour, and hopefully you guys liked it. Please leave your comments down below on how I could decorate and stuff, because I definitely am gonna need your help. And I don't know, I feel like my neighbor can hear everything I'm saying, so I'm kind of like talking low too, but I gotta get over that. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.